This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to debadge Kia Stinger. Begin by warming the emblem with a heat gun or hair dryer, then slip fishing line behind it and saw gently back and forth. Clean remaining adhesive with adhesive remover and a microfiber towel, then polish the area for a uniform finish. Work slowly around curved edges and always protect surrounding trim to avoid scratches or marring when applying heat or pressure. Gather a heat gun, high-strength fishing line, adhesive remover, microfiber towels, and plastic trim tools before starting. Set the heat gun to a moderate setting and warm the emblem evenly to soften the glue, then use the fishing line in a sawing motion to separate emblem from paint. Remove residue with adhesive remover and a towel, then inspect the surface carefully and polish lightly to restore smooth finish. Work one emblem at a time and warm it for about 1 to 2 minutes until the adhesive softens, but paint stays cool to the touch. Slip the fishing line behind the emblem and pull with a steady sawing motion at a shallow angle to avoid lifting paint. Remove leftover adhesive with a citrus-based remover, wipe clean with a microfiber towel, then apply a light polish to blend the area for a factory finish and protect the clear coat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.